This is Vijay. Welcome to Competitor Sold. This is part 2 of this special session of English. Here we will discuss some of the most important questions of the second chapter, that is tense. I hope this is going to be very helpful for the upcoming exams like OMC, High Court ASO, CPSC Mains and all the exams where English plays a vital role. Okay, here I will explain everything in Odia. Friends, before you start, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, like it, share it and press the bell icon for regular updates, okay, and encourage me to upload more videos. Friends, join the Telegram group for PDF given in the description. Link is given in the description, okay. So let's start today's session. The first question is in front of you. The question is, I have not seen him since 20 years and so I cannot say with certainty whether he is alive or dead. Option D, that is no error. Okay, so we will discuss all the questions that is based on error detection. Okay, so what will be the answer here according to you? Okay, just read the question and try to understand the meaning and then find out the error. Okay, so what will be the error here? Okay, so the error is hidden in, that is option A. Okay, option A, I have not seen him since 20 years. Okay, the error is hidden in option A, I have not seen him since 20 years. Okay, so why this is error? Because if you will talk about the use of since is used for a point of time, okay, and for is used for a period of time. Here 20 years is a period of time, so we should use for here. Okay, so let me clear a bit everything. So for example, since is used in case of point of time, that is if we'll talk since Monday, since Tuesday, since 7th April, ये सब जगह आम सिंस यूज करूँ. ठीक अच्छे, सिंस मे, सिंस जून, सिंस 7 o'clock, सिंस ओके, सिंस मॉर्निंग, सिंस नाइट. ओके, ये सब आम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जो थी से आम सिंस यूज करूँ. जो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम थी, धर सिंस सॉरी फॉर 20 years, फॉर 1 week. ओके, एगुड़ाक सब आम कौन यूज करूँ ना फॉर यूज करूँ. गोटे एग्जांपल देले बुझीपर, I have been working here since 2018. Okay, I have been working here since 2018. ता माने होची मु 2018 रु एठी काम करी आसुची. सो 2018 हेला एठी गोटे पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम को रिप्रेजेंट करछि. सो आमे एठी फॉर यूज कले. जदि मु कहिबी I have been working here for 2 years. ओके, 2 years टा कोन कहूची, 2 years टा गोटे पीरियड ऑफ टाइम को रिप्रेजेंट करछि. सो एठी आमे कोन कले ना फॉर लगैले. ठीक अछि, इज इट क्लियर? सो for कोठी हबो, since कोठी हबो, this is very important and question most often comes. Okay, so move to the next question, that is question number 2. So the error is hidden in, that is option A. So it for habo. Move to the next question, that is question number 2. When he did not find his cook in the kitchen, he asked his wife where had he gone. Option D, no error. Okay, try to understand the question. When he did not find his cook, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ତା ରୋଷେଇୟାକୁ ପାଇଲା ନାହିଁ, in the kitchen, ଯେତେବେଳେ ରୋଷେଇ ଘରେ ସେ ତା ରୋଷେଇୟାକୁ ପାଇଲା ନାହିଁ, he asked his wife, ସେ ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ ପଚାରିଲା, ୱାଇଫ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲା, where had he gone, ସେ କେଉଁଠାକୁ ଯାଇଛି. ଓକେ, କେଉଁଠାକୁ ଯାଇଛି, କେଉଁଠାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା. So find out the error. Okay, so the error is hidden in option C. Okay, why this is an error part? Because as all of you know, helping verb comes before the subject in case of an interrogative sentence. Okay, गोटे interrogative sentence रे ही helping verb कोठी आसीबो ना subject पूर्वरु आसे. Okay, so look at this option C, where had he gone. Okay, where had he gone, एटी कोन होची ना, एटा होची subject ही, हेल्पिंग भर्ब होची हार्ड. सो सब्जेक्ट पूर्वर हेल्पिंग भर्ब अच्छी माने एटा गोटे निश्चिंत भाव में इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस हवा दरकार, किंतु एटा गोटे इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस नुहे. सो एटा गोटे जेहेतु एटा गोटे डिक्लारेटिव सेंटेंस, आमे इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस रे यूज हेची where had he gone. सो द आंसर शुड बी where he had gone. Okay, he had gone. where he had gone होइथांदा किंतु जेहेतु where had he gone अच्छी, this is error, this is wrong. Okay, so the error is in option C. Okay, move to the next question, that is question number 3. Although I am playing cricket for more than 3 years, I have not been able to score a century. How does it mean? First read the question and try to find out the error. Although I am playing cricket, से कौच रफली मुझे ता मीनिंगटा कहबी जदिও ମୁଁ क्रिकेट खेलुची मोर देन 3 इयर्स 3 वर्षर अधिक हलाणी ମୁଁ क्रिकेट खेली आसुची, आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू स्कोर ए सेंचुरी, एपर्यंत ମୁଁ गोटे सेंचुरी मारि पारलेनी. ताहले एरर कोठी रहिला? द एरर इज हिडन इन, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए. So try to understand the meaning and sense of this question. Although I am playing cricket for more than 3 years, okay, से 3 वर्षर अधिक हलाणी क्रिकेट खेली आसुची, दैट मीन्स से एबे भी क्रिकेट खेलुची. सो द आंसर शुड बी, ओके, ऑल्दो आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग हवा कथा, आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट खेली आसुची, आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. ओके, आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट हवा कथा, जेहेतु आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट अच्छी, this is absolutely wrong. So option A is the wrong part here. So number 3 number A होची wrong part. Move to the next question, that is question number 4. I do not know where could he have gone so early in the morning. से कहूची I do not know, मु जानी नहीं, where could he have gone so early in the morning, इतने सकाळु से कोठी जाइछि मु जानी नहीं. So try to find out the error. Okay, so here put the rule like before, like the previous question. Okay, I do not know, जानी नहीं, where could he have gone. Okay, so एठी भी से कि एटा सब्जेक्ट अच्छी, एटा गोटे हेल्पिंग वर्ब. सो सब्जेक्ट पूर्व जदि हेल्पिंग वर्ब बसियो, आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट दिस मस्ट बी एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो आज इट इज ए डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, सो सब्जेक्ट पूर्वर आम हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज कर पारे नहीं. where could he have gone हबनी, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. सो ऑप्शन ए इज रॉन्ग. तो आंसर कौन हवा दरकार ये ना, where he could have gone, he could, where he could have gone. Okay, so where he could have gone right answer habo. So option A is wrong. Move to the next question, that is question 5. Okay, by the time we got our tickets and entered the cinema theater, the show was already begun. By the time ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କଲୁ ନା, ରଫଲି ମୁଁ ମିନିଂଟା କହୁଛି, ଦେନ୍ ଆମେ ବୁଝିବା କେଉଁଠି ଏରର୍ ରହିଲା. वी गॉट आवर टिकेट्स एंड एंटर द सिनेमा थिएटर, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଟିକେଟ୍ ଆଣିଲୁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଣ୍ଟର ଦ ସିନେମା ଥିଏଟର, ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଶିଲୁ ଆମେ ଥିଏଟର ଭିତରକୁ, ଦ ଶୋ ୱାଜ୍ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ବିଗନ୍, ଶୋ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା. ଏ ତ ସୋ where is the error part? The error is hidden in option C. Okay, why this is error? This is wrong because there is a rule. Okay, if two actions take place in past, okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ପାଷ୍ଟରେ ଘଟୁଛି one after another, ଗୋଟିଏ ପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଘଟଣା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଘଟୁଛି, ଦ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ. ଯେଉଁଟା ପ୍ରଥମେ ଘଟିବ ଆମେ ସେଟାକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟରେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ଇନ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ପାଷ୍ଟ. ଓକେ, ସୋ ଏଠି ଲୁକ୍ ଆଟ୍ ଦିସ୍, ବାଇ ଦି ଟାଇମ୍ ୱି ଗଟ୍ ଆୱାର ଟିକେଟ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଣ୍ଟର ଦ ସିନେମା ହଲ୍. ଓକେ, ତାହେଲେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ନା ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସିନେମା ହଲ୍କୁ ପଶିଲୁ, ଦ ଶୋଟା ଆଗରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ଶୋଟା ଆଗରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ସୋ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା, ମୁଁ କହିଛି ଯେଉଁଟା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଘଟିବ, ପାଷ୍ଟରେ ଯେଉଁଟା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଘଟିଛି ସେଠି ଆମେ ପାଷ୍ଟ परफेक्ट यूज करवा. सो ये आंसर कौन हम ना, द शो वाज ऑलरेडी बिगन हेनी, द शो हार्ड ऑलरेडी बिगन हम, जो आम परफेक्ट यूज करवा, शो हार्ड ऑलरेडी बिगन. ओके, व्हेन वी गॉट, ये ठीक अच्छी सिंपल प्रेजेंट, सॉरी पास्ट सिंपल अच्छी, ठीक अच्छी, जेहेतुटा सेकेंडली ओकर है. सो फास्ट कौन घटी ना, शोटा स्टार्ट हो जाता, द शो हार्ड ऑलरेडी बिगन. ओके, मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. बाय द टाइम, this is past and this is the used in future. By the time we will get our tickets and enter the cinema hall, cinema theater, the show will have already begun. So let us understand the meaning. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବୁ ନା ଟିକେଟ୍ କିଣିକି ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିବୁ, ସେତେବେଳେ ଶୋଟା କ'ଣ ହେଇଯିବ, ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇ ସାରିଥିବ. ଓକେ, ସୋ ଏଇ କେସ୍ରେ କ'ଣ ହେବ, ଇଫ୍ ଟୁ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ସ ୱିଲ୍ have taken place one after another in future. Okay, যেতବେଳେ future গোটে ঘটনা ঘটিব গোটিଏ ପରେ ঘটনা ঘটিব, the first action will be in simple present. Okay, and the second will be in simple future perfect tense. Okay, so এটি কোন হবো না, by the time we will get our tickets and enter the cinema hall, this is absolutely wrong. Okay, so এটি কোন হবা কথা आंसर না, এইটি will টা হটিব। ମୁଁ କହିଛି ନା simple present यूज হবো, by the time we get our tickets খালি হবো and enter the cinema hall, the show will have already begun. Clear? So move to the next question, that is question number 7. Gauri told me his name after he left. Okay, put the rule. Okay, I have already told you. Gauri told me his name. Gauri कौन हला मते तार नाम कहला after he left. से जेतोले पळै गला तापरे गौरी मते कौन कला ना ता नाम कहला। ओके, फास्ट कौन करछि से पळै जाइछि, सो दिस इज द फास्ट केस। मु कहि पास्ट रे जति गोटे घटना पर आ गोटे घटना घटुछि, जोटा फास्ट घटिबो सेठी हम कौन करबा ना पास्ट परफेक्ट यूज करबा, जोटा देन तापर घटिबो सेठी हम पास्ट सिंपल यूज करबा। ओके, सो गौरी टोल्ड मी, ठीक अच्छे कहीं गौरी से गला पर ही मत कही हिज नेम आफ्टर ही लेफ्ट, सो आफ्टर से आग जेहेतु पलै जाइछि, सो आफ्टर ही लेफ्ट हेनी, हियर कौन हम ना आफ्टर ही हार्ड लेफ्ट, ही हार्ड लेफ्ट। Is it clear? Okay, so the error is in option C. Clear? Okay, try to understand, this is very important. We have been, question number 8, we have been celebrating many festivals since centuries. Okay, okay, so try to find out the error. This is very easy. We have been celebrating many festivals since centuries, option D, no error. Okay, so the error is hidden in option C. How? We have been celebrating many festival, आमे अनेक गुड़े पर्व पालन करी आसुछु since centuries, शह शह वर्ष धरि आमे अनेक गुड़े पर्व पालन करी आसु। Why the error is in option C? Because I have already told you, if it represents a period of time, then we should use for instead of since. Okay, आमे कौन करिया ना for यूज करिया कथा since परिवर्ते। सो जेहेतु एटी since अच्छी एंड centuries गोटे period of time को सूचौछि, सो एठी आमे कौन करिया ना for यूज करिया, आमे फॉर यूज करिया, आमे सिंस यूज कर परिया नहीं। सो द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन सी, फॉर सेंचुरीज हवा कथा। मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 9. ओल्ड एज एंड इन्फर्मिटी had begun, okay, to catch up with him. Okay, so ओल्ड एज वार्धक्य एंड इन्फर्मिटी, इन्फर्मिटी क्या को कहते ना फिजिकल एंड मेंटल वीकनेस को कहते इन्फर्मिटी। क्लियर? had begun to catch up with him. Okay, so look at this, if it is very easy, the error is clearly visible here, that is in option B. Okay, the old age and infirmity had began hobani, begin the past hochi began and past participle hochi amaro begun. Okay, begun. Okay, so here the answer should be the old age and infirmity had begun. Okay, begun hoba katha to catch up with him. Clear? Is it clear? So move to the next question, that is question number 10. The passerby told us where was the marriage hall and even led us to it. Passerby माने पथिक, पथिक told us हमको कहला where was the marriage hall and even led us to it, हमको भी नहीं गला सेटा को। So option D होची no error. So what will be the answer here? So as I have already told you, so look at this, the error is in option B. Okay, so marriage hall is the subject and I have already told you the helping verb, if the helping verb comes before a subject, then the sentence must be interrogative. As the sentence is not interrogative, so where was the marriage hall habani, where the marriage hall was habo, where the marriage hall was habo. Okay, so where was the marriage hall, where was the marriage hall habani, where the marriage hall was. Okay, the passerby told us where the marriage hall was and even led us to it. Clear? So move to the next question, that is question 11. I have passed the examination 2 years ago. Okay, so option D hochi no error. So what will be the answer here? Okay, so give the answer. Here the error part is hidden in option A. Okay, so look at this. I have passed the examination 2 years ago. Okay, 2 years ago कौन करछि ना गोटे past को represent करछि. Okay, when past time is mentioned, okay, we should definitely use simple past, not simple perfect. So एठी कौन करिया कथा ना हमें I have passed न लिखि कि खाली I passed हबो. Clear? So I passed the examination 2 years ago. Is it clear? So move to the next question, that is question number 12. Since he joined his post, he did not take any bribe. Okay, so जेबेठु से पोस्ट जॉइन करछि से लांच नहीं नहीं. So option D होछि no error. Okay, so I have already told you, look at this is also a very important question. Okay, so the error part is hidden in option B. Okay, how? Okay, remember the rule. If since is used in the beginning, जदि since टा आरंभ रे यूज होछि, then कौन हबो? First part will be simple past. Okay, फास्ट पार्टटा कौन हम ना सिंपल पास्ट रहिबो. ठीक अच्छी सिंपल पास्ट ही अच्छी सिंस ही जॉइंड. एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट विल बी इन पास्ट परफेक्ट. सेकेंड पार्टटा कौन हम पास्ट परफेक्ट यूज होगा कथा. रिमेंबर सिंस जो यूज हम गोटे पार्ट रहिबो सिंपल पास्ट रे आ गोटे पार्ट रहिबो पास्ट परफेक्ट रे. सो इट इज सिंस ही जॉइंड दिस पोस्ट ही डिड नॉट टेक एनी ब्राइब हबनी. ही हाड नॉट टेकन. हाड not taken habo. So had not taken habo, did not take haboni. Clear? So the error is in option B. Move to the next question, that is question number 13. Perhaps you know that I have passed the examination in 1990. Okay, perhaps you know that I have passed the examination in 1990. This question is like the previous question. The so here it represents the past event. Okay, 1990. Okay, 1990. So I have passed heboni. The answer will be only I passed. Okay, I passed habo. Perhaps you know that I passed the examination in 1990. Clear? So move to the next question, that is question number 14. He has read 4 plays written by Shakespeare by the end of this vacation. So try to understand the meaning of this question. He has read 4 plays. If you roughly think the meaning of the question, that is से कौन हबो ना से पढ़ी सारी थिबो. ओके, चारिटा नाटक शेक्सपियर द्वारा रचित चारिटा नाटक से पढ़ी सारी बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वैकेशन. छुट्टी सरवा सुधा से कौन करबे ना चारिटा नाटक पढ़ी सारी थिबो. क्लियर? So we can say he has read. Don't you think this is a wrong part? Yes, option A is the wrong part. He has read four plays haboni. He will have read habo. Clear? Say he will have read kahi na se पढ़ी सारी थिबो. Okay, so answer will be will have read. Okay, so he will have read. Okay, so he will have read 4 plays written by Shakespeare by the end of this vacation. So the error is in option A. Clear? So move to the next question, that is question 15. When they stole the money and where did they hide it? Okay, आमे जदि रफली ता मीनिंग कहबा से केतेबेले चोरी कले एंड where did they hide it एवं ताको कोठी नेकी लुचैले. Okay, so this is clearly visible that the sentence is in interrogative form. Okay, प्रश्नसूचक वाक्यटी अच्छी. सो एठी आमे कौन करिबा ना एठी when the error part is in option A. Okay, so when they stole, this is absolutely wrong answer. So this is wrong option. So एठी कौन होबा कथा ना when did they steal हबो. when did they steal हबो STEAL. Okay, when did they steal त माने से केतेबेले चोरी कले. Clear? So the option A is the wrong part. Move to the next question, that is question number 16. The teacher has took the responsibility. Option D, no error. So what will be the answer here? Try to give the answer. So the error is clearly visible. Okay, it is based on tense. The teacher has took. So option B is absolutely wrong. The teacher has took केबे हुएनी. The teacher has taken. Okay, the teacher has taken. Clear? The teacher has taken habo. Teacher has took केबे हुए नहीं. So the option B is the wrong part. So move to the question number 17. For time immemorial, seashells have been used by man in many ways. What does it mean? माने अतीत काल कौन हो सी सेल यूज हो लोक मैंने समुद्र शामुका को यूज कर इन मेनी वेज विभिन्न उपाय से यूज कर क्लीयर सो जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग व्हेयर इज द एरर पार्ट द एरर पार्ट इज इन ऑप्शन ए ओके सो जस्ट रिमेंबर टाइम इमेमोरियल केबे फॉर यूज हो पारिबनी दिस इज ए पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम सो वी शुड यूज सिंस ओके ऑलवेज रिमेंबर सिंस टाइम इमेमोरियल सब बेले हे जिते देखिए आप टाइम इमेमोरियल अच्छी without any hesitation you should use since there okay so the error is in option A. Move to the next question, that is question number 18. The river is in spate and it has overflown its bank. Okay, in the previous class I had discussed a question like this. So the river is in spate बन्या हो जाइए and it has overflown its bank. So where is the error part? Here the error part is in option B. Okay, and it has overflown. We generally say overflow हो गला. So it has overflown होने overflowed हवा. Over O-V-E-R overflowed. F-L-O-W-E-D. Okay, overflowed. Okay, so move to the next question. This is an error part, that is option B. Move to the next question, that is question number 19. The little boy had been waiting. The little boy had been waiting for his turn since a long time. Okay, so if you know the rule you can easily detect the error. So where is the error part? Here the error part is hidden in, that is option C. Okay, option C रे error अच्छी कहीं as because long time माने गोटे पीरियड को बुझाऊँ. ठीक अच्छे मुझे पीरियड जो थी सेठी आम कौन करिया गोटे टाइम पीरियड को बुझाऊँ निर्दिष्ट समय को बुझाऊँ सेठी आम कौन यूज करिया ना फॉर यूज करिया सो had been waiting for his turn since a long time हेबनी for a long time हेब. Okay, so option C is the error part. Move to the next question, that is question number 20. The TV serial is going on. TV serial चलची for 3 years, no error. What will be the right answer? Here the error part is hidden in option B. Okay, so कौन हेबो ना एठी द टीवी सीरियल इज गोइंग हबनी कहीं टीवी सीरियल एबे भी चलची. सो द टीवी सीरियल has been going on. Okay, the TV serial has been going on habo, is going on heboni. So the error is in option B. Move to the next question, that is question number 21. This is turned out to be one of 4 most successful projects and we have made quite a large profit from it. Okay, so where is the error part? Give the answer. So the error part is hidden in option A. So this is turned out to be हबनी, this has turned out to be हब. Okay, जेहेतु सेंटेंस टी सिंपल प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट अच्छी सो this has turned out to be one of 4 most successful projects and we have made quite a large profit from it. So this has हब एटा, this has turned out. Okay, move to the next question, that is question number 22. He is given me a lot of documents to read before the presentation. Option E होची no error. Okay, so answer कौन है? So give the answer. This is an easy question. So here the answer will be the error is hidden in option A. Okay, so he is given हबनी, he has given. जेहेतु क्वेश्चन टी परफेक्ट अच्छी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट रे, so he has given me a lot of documents to read before the presentation. से मते देइछि अनेक गुडे डॉक्यूमेंट देइछि टू रीड पढ़िया पई बिफोर द प्रेजेंटेशन हवा पूर्वरु काली प्रेजेंटेशन अछि से मते आज अनेक गुडे डॉक्यूमेंट देइछि. सो ही इज गिवन हबनी, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग, ही हैज गिवन हबो. ओके, मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. since the trip home was expensive I did not went home during the holidays. This is a funny question. So where is the error part? Okay, the error part is hidden in option C. Okay, how? Since the trip come was expensive I did not went home, did not packer went was did not go home hala. Okay, so did not go should be the right answer. So move to the next question, that is question number 24. As she is late for work yesterday, she decided to skip breakfast and leave for office. Okay, so where is the error part? Okay, the error part is hidden in option A. As she is late for work yesterday, সেটা কালির ঘটনা. So she is late কেমতি হবো? So this should be she was. Okay, so past event, so she was ହେବ. She was late for yesterday. She decided to skip the breakfast and leave for office. Okay, is it clear? So move to the next question, that is question number 25th. As soon as the CEO entered the office, the union leaders approached him and report the matter to him. Option D, no error. So what will be the answer here? So here the error part is hidden in, that is option C. Okay, how? As soon as the CEO entered the office, ଯେତେବେଳେ CEO office को enter कले, the union leaders approached him. Union leaders माने तांका पाखକୁ ଆସିଲେ and report this matter to him, and this part also should be used in past tense. Okay, and report the matter to him हबनी सेमाने this they reported. Okay, reported हबो, they reported the matter to him. Clear? So the error is in option C. So move to the next question, that is question number 26. The college is running a computer course since 2007. Option D, no error. Okay, so where is the error part? I have already told you. So since 2007, this is absolutely right, because this represents a point of time. Okay, so doubt is in option B. The college is running a computer course. The college चलाउछि गोटे कंप्यूटर कोर्स, सी एबे भी सेठी कंप्यूटर कोर्स चलछि. सो द कॉलेज इज रनिंग हबनी, द कॉलेज हैज बीन रनिंग, हैज बीन रनिंग हबो. ओके, सो द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन बी. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. डिड ही टेल यू व्हाई ही हैज नॉट कम yesterday? ऑप्शन डी, नो एरर. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर हियर? हियर द एरर पार्ट इज हिडन इन ऑप्शन बी. ओके, did he tell you से कहथिला कि why he has not हबनी, since this sentence is in past tense, so why he has not हबनी, why he had not हबो, had not. Okay, so why he had not हबो, so the error is in option B. So move to the next question, that is question number 28. Last night I dream I was a sick on the 169th floor of Burj Khalifa. Option D, no error. Okay, ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଦେଖିଲି, ଗତ ରାତିରେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଦେଖିଲି. I was a sick on this 169th floor of Burj Khalifa. Okay, ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି. So here the error is hidden in option A. Okay, so this is a past event, so last night I dream हबनी, that is dreamt हबो. Okay, dreamt हबो, dreamt हबो, dream हेबो नहीं. So the error is in option A. Clear? So move to the next question, that is question number 29. She and her sister were working here since 1983. These questions have been discussed previously. Okay, so she and her sister, this is absolutely okay. Were working, this is, that doubt is there, since 1983, this is absolutely okay. So she and her sister were working हेबनी, एठी कौन हबो ना, have been working हबो, have been working. Okay, so have been working हेबो. she and her sister have been working, sorry, had been working, जेतु past एटा थिला, so had been working हेबो. Clear? So move to the next question, that is question number 30. She and her sister were working since 83. This is also same question. Okay, so friends, so एठी भी आंसर हबो से सेम क्वेश्चन जेतु she and her sister had been working here since 1983. So the error is in option B. Clear? So move to the next question. So this is the end of today's session, and I hope the session was helpful. And please subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and press the bell icon for regular updates. And don't forget to join the Telegram channel, and the link is given in the description. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for joining.